Hi there, welcome to WooCommerce tutorial. So, do your product title look messy or misaligned with the add to cart button on your store? Look like this. In today's video, I will show you quick and easy way to shorten product title so everything looks clean and professional aligned on your home page, shop page, category page, on any other page. So let's get started. So log in your WooCommerce store and go to the dashboard. You will go to the dashboard or plugins. I'll just click on the plugins. Then click on add a new plugin. Add a plugin. Now search here. Oh, title limit. Now check this plugin here. If you don't see this plugin in the first page, just click on the second page. Again check. Yes, this is the plugin O title plugin. Now install it. Then click activate. Now you will see this plugin here and go to the settings. This U title limit and go to the settings. From there, general, you can this is the feature some settings that affect all area. Shorten the product title at the end of the word. So last what we can check it. Shorten product title for widget automatically. So don't need it. Then click on the shop page. If you want to short product title in shop page, so you can title length here set from here. I just set from 20, and after the title just three dot will be available. Just check it, click save, then click on product page. I don't need it, and category page just 20. Check it, home page 20, and check it, tag page 20, product title length, and click check, then save changes. Now visit my store. All button are aligned. Sorry, we need to remove this CSS cache. Go to the home page. Oh, this is not safe. Click save. And now we can check. Remove the cache. Yes, all button are aligned. This button product title length 20 and three dot in every product, so it's look clean and professional. This is the home page, so we can go to the category page. This it's not aligned because we did not save when we set up. There is no length, so it make it 20 and click check it, then click save changes. Same way, check the tag, it's okay. Shop page, okay. General, make it check it and click save changes. Now visit again. Remove the cache. Yes, all are aligned and it's clean and professional. This is the category. Oh, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you need, if you need more help, So just contact me through the link. Thank you.